Hello, this is I. You can see me, look. There I am. There I am. Well, after my amazing response of, I'll show you. I asked a question. Where are we? I have a question. My amazing response of 9 views of that and no answers. Then 12 views of a day in the life of the Baldy vlogger. Well, obviously, I mean, that's absolutely an amazing response. So I need to do another video. Let's have a look at my playlist, see what we got here. And we've got all this. What more do you want? You don't have to pay a TV license or anything, or a Marco license, or a Baldy vlogger license, nothing. So I'm gonna do another video. And I shall start off by saying thank you to everybody, all the hundreds of people who watch my hundreds of people. All the 9 people who watched my last video. Right, 12 videos, and my last one was 12 videos. Right, so here we go. I shall bring my phone in. Do you want to see me cooking? Like that there. I don't know what you can see on this. I need to look at this camera, see what you can see. I need one of the new GoPros with a screen on the front as well. I'm going to make pan thai. Put some lights on. There's my new wok I was talking about in my other vlog that all 12 people saw. I've never made pan thai before, so you have to bear with me. I'm not cheating by getting a packet that tells you what to do. Heat. Bring a pan of water to the boil. Add a pinch of salt. Empty noodles into the pan. So the best way of bringing a pan of water to boil is get a kettle and boil the water and pour it in the pan. So we boil that. We'll get my pan. My pan, so you get a pan, 1 pan. These are multi-purpose pans. You can use them as instruments, or for cooking, or for a hat. So a pinch of salt, right? Bring pan of boiling water, add a pinch of salt, empty noodles into the pan. Make sure they're covered, cook for 5 minutes, rinse in cold water, drain into, oh my goodness me. Drain, I've got a drain. That means I've got to get something else, one of my other gadgets. It's not really a gadget, it's just whatever you call it. Save calling that, I forget. Your mind's away. Your mind's away. Pinch of salt. I need some salt. Salt. I haven't actually got proper salt. I've only got this. So this will have to do. I'll have to I can't even get the lid off it. Is there a lid on it? Yeah, there is. Not very good start, is it, to my cooking channel. Bart's cooking channel. Bart's the Baldy vlogger's cooking channel. Right, that's been boiled. So I'm going to pour this into here. I'm going to put the noodles like so. Try not to cut my finger. If I do cut my finger, I want it on camera really. So I'll get more viewers. Tragedy, that's what you get, viewers. Right, so bring the. I've done that. Add a pinch. Oh, I nearly forgot the second thing. Now that looks like a pinch of salt to me. Make sure they're covered. Cook for 5 minutes. Right, Alexa. 1 minute. Alexa. Timer 5 minutes. It's my first time making pan thai. One of my first times cooking. Did my Alexa go off for 5 minutes? Alexa. Alarm 5 minutes.
Second timer 5 minutes. Starting now. Do you want to name this timer?
No. I'm saying no to the Alexa. Right, I wonder if I've got to do something while I'm doing this. Rest in cold water, drain and set aside. Right. So get your wok smoking hot with a splash of oil. 1 splash of oil. Put that there, 5 minutes. Need to get this hot. Get your wok smoking hot, splash of oil. Fry the prawns for 2 minutes until cooked. What prawns? Prawns? I've got prawns. A good pan thai here. I haven't even got prawns. Are these prawns? That's sauce. I haven't got prawns. I didn't realise I had to buy stuff for everything. Well, this is a disaster, isn't it? What can I use instead of prawns? I'll have pan thai without prawns or chicken. I'm going to have I'm going to have vegetarian pan thai. That's what I'm going to have. Nightmare. Didn't realise it all came together in this packet for like £2, you know. And so what we've got to do? Let's cook now. Oh, yeah. Vegetable pasta. No prawns. Hey. It's splashing out a bit. Got to splash more oil on. But I did this unprepared. I didn't even know I was going to do this on camera. So you have to forgive me for having prawns in my prawn pan thai. Vegetarian pan thai. It's going to be rubbish, isn't it? Vegetarian. Well, I've started, so I'll finish. Look at this. If I peanuts, but they're all stuck together. Yeah, watch my finger. That's a teaspoon of fish. What's this sauce? Okay, push your prawns to one side and add an egg. Oh, I've got to put an egg in it. I haven't even got any prawns. Let's add an egg. I've got an egg. An egg. So there we go. There's an egg. This is actually nothing like what I'm meant to be doing now. La 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 la. Right, I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm actually not following the recipe anymore because it's just totally wrong. Alexa, stop! Spring onion. Add spring onion. I haven't got any spring. Oh yeah, I do have spring onion. Hang on, I've got. Oh, hang on. I've got to do this now. I've got to get the right. I'm not taking the camera over here. I've got no hands left. You have to listen to me. All right, Alexa, stop! I said. All right, Alexa. Alexa, stop! Oh, for goodness sake, I've got the room. Got the room in this kitchen. I'm over here. Right, I think I've got to put that in cold water. Have I got to put that in cold water? No, I don't think so. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening anymore. I'm getting a bit of a muddle. I need spring onion. Spring onion. Let's have two spring onions. Quick chop. Where's that knife? I don't even know if I'm meant to chop them or not, but I'm chopping them. I haven't got time to think. Maybe I should have thought before I started. Onions in. And on the floor, that one will be fine. 10-second rule and all that. Right, where's my knife? Right, now I'm gonna, before this burns, I better chuck this in. There's some pan thai sauce for my non-pan thai. Give this a stir. Don't that look good? My prawn pan thai without prawns. The next time I'll do for you chicken pan thai without chicken. I can all these different pan thais. Chicken pan thai, beef pan thai, pork pan thai, lamb pan thai, and prawn pan thai without all the ingredients. So it'll be all these different pan thais without the main thing. Right. I don't know what I'm meant to do now, but I'm just gonna chop these in the noodles. I'll just chop the pan thai noodles in. I don't even know if I'm meant to, but the recipe, that's gone. I mean, this is meant to be. Oh goodness me! This is for one. Does anybody want any? Any vegetarians out there? Right, let's put the nuts. Oh, hang on. They're meant to go. They're not meant to go on yet. So here we are. The Baldy Vloggers pan thai. Well, that actually looks quite good, seeing it's just a total disaster. Just put some nuts in it after. Or prepaid. Prepaid? Pre-made. And there you have. Right, photo. Actually looks better than I thought. This a little taste. Marco's pad thai. Prawn pad thai without the prawns. Right. That is the best pad thai I have ever made. So I should stop the video for now. So if I don't see you later, subscribe to the Baldy Vlogger. If I do see you later, subscribe to the Baldy Vlogger. But I'll be telling you later. Bye bye. So I've almost finished it. I'm a bit stuffed, seeing it's a bit early for my dinner. So I didn't do bad. It was actually quite nice. My prawn pad thai without prawns. The vegetarian version of prawn pad thai. My kitchen's getting a bit of a mess though. A bit of a mess in here. I need to get I have the way to put this. Need to get the place sorted. So I know this was a daily vlog, but I think people get bored with my day. So I think I might do a daily vlog now and again. So it's not actually a daily vlog. It's a vlog one day when I feel like it. And it's not the whole day either, because my next part of the day is going picking people up. And I can't show you that. I'll show you my car that I pick people up in. There we go. The one in the middle. No, it's not in the middle. It's the white one, not the van. So that's me. I hope you enjoyed my daily cook slot. I keep changing the name of this, don't I? Anyway, bye bye from the Baldy Vlogger.